Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back. Today's vlog is how to update Windows BIOS. How can we update our BIOS in the Windows? So today we have the laptop. We need to note its service tag. Here it is. You can see the service tag 690NRZ1. So we will go to the Chrome browser. We have to download the BIOS from its Dell website. Here we will type Dell drivers. You can see it is automatically recommended. We will follow this and enter. We will make, let me make it English, and here it is. The first website is Dell, so we open this website and here identify your product. Here we will put our service tag or the serial numbers. It was 640. Let me see again. Sorry, 690 NR01. So it is 690 NR Z1. So this is the product number. We will search it. This is the exact model number of this laptop. Here are the tabs: overview, drivers and download, diagnostic, documentation. We will select drivers, download. So here the drivers. We will select the download type. We have to download the BIOS. We will tick this one and scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the system BIOS. Here it is, download option. Okay, now we have downloaded. Now the first thing is type Defender. Here it is. We have to select this option, manage setting, and real-time protection, turn it off. Be sure it should be the off condition. Now cross this windows and open the download folder. Now here it is, the downloaded file. Right click, run as administrator, press yes. Here it is, you can see the old version and the current version. Now this is the old version of the BIOS A07, and new version is that we downloaded the file. It is A12. So this one is the latest one. So here it is saying that press OK to continue. To press OK, we should have battery more than 10%. Here how much we have 17% and plugged in adapter. Khalas. So we will press it OK. Are you sure you want to perform a firmware or downgrade? So we will press yes. Y. We type Y and press enter. Now it will restart and update automatically. Now it's done. It is booting from Windows and it will go in the Windows right now. The update process is completed. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching us.